All right, y'all. This is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Clear Case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. You know, when you just get that new lake of purple color, you know, you definitely want to put a case on, but you also want to keep that you know, that freshness, you know, the freshness of the new color. So let's go ahead and get into this, man. Oh, dang. Well, that was a fail. Ooh. Okay. Got a scratch? Am I tripping? It looked like a scratch. Let me get a microfiber cloth. I don't know. It looked like a scratch to me. Just come on, Spigen. Okay. Do the inside. God dang, Spigen. Okay, here we go. It's hard shell back. So let's go ahead and put the phone up in here. Microfiber cloth, man. Gotta wipe it down. You feel me? Ooh, look at that color real quick. All right, let's go ahead and snap it up in here. Bang. Woo! Yeah, you definitely see that lake of purple now, man. Let's get for dramatic effect. Shout out to Floss. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay. This is nice. This is nice. Let's go ahead and check the cutouts. Y'all see it here. All my fingerprints are smudging up all over it, man. Let's see. Nice and responsive. Nice and responsive. A little Spigen brand in there. The volume. Easy access, easy to do. Oh, let's hit the alert slider. Never hit the alert slider. Uh-oh. How you put on vibrate? I just went from silent just straight to vibrate. Nah, this is okay. It's nice. This is nice. Anyway, nice and responsive, man. This is the unboxing. Beautiful. Looking absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Shows off that lake of purple perfectly. Man. All right, y'all. Peace.